Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about gaps of coverage and Swiss cheese. Have you ever noticed anything about Swiss cheese? It's got holes in it, just like a flood insurance policy can if you don't have the right coverage in place. Now, the worst thing you want to do is have a piece of cheese that are holes in it. When you eat it, it's not quite as good normally as a piece of cheese that doesn't have holes in it. Well, if you've ever had a flood insurance claim with a policy that's had gaps in coverage and holes in the policy, then you probably know what we're talking about. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Remember, if you've got questions about flood education, flood insurance, and flood zone changes, make sure to click below to visit our website. So, we're talking about Swiss cheese, holes in the policy. What exactly does it all mean? Let's look at building coverage first. Actual cash value versus replacement costs. This can be a big difference in gaps in coverage. This can be the difference between your house being rebuilt and it not being rebuilt. Now, let's talk about contents. Contents coverage, actual cash value versus replacement costs. And they could be based on you getting the value of a TV from 10 years ago compared to a TV today. Additional living expenses. This can be the difference of you having money for a place to stay while your house is being repaired or not repaired. So you see, these three things can be a big difference in having the right flood insurance policy when a claim does pay out, making sure that you're taken care of. So if you have questions about maybe having holes in your policy, holes in your cheese, make sure to click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. We can do a policy review with you to make sure you don't have any holes in your flood insurance policy. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we're here to help you understand holes in your possible policy, flood insurance like this right here on this property, and understanding your property when it comes to mitigation and minimizing the flood risk and flood premiums. Thank you.